Hello, and welcome to Medication Quick Facts, where we help you understand your medications so you can take them safely and confidently. In this video, we're going to take a deep, clear, and easy-to-understand look at Mounjaro, also known by its generic name Tirzepatide. Stay until the end for a critical safety tip about missed doses that many people get wrong. Before we begin, please note, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always speak with your doctor, pharmacist, or healthcare provider before starting, stopping, or changing any medication. Everyone's health situation is different, and what works for one person may not be right for another. Let's take this step by step. What is Mounjaro? Mounjaro is a prescription injectable medication approved for adults with type 2 diabetes to help control blood sugar levels. It is given once weekly as a subcutaneous injection, meaning it's injected just under the skin. While Mounjaro is officially approved for diabetes, many people are also prescribed it off-label for weight loss under medical supervision. What makes Mounjaro unique is how it works in the body, which we'll explain next. How Mounjaro works. Mounjaro belongs to a newer class of medications called dual incretin receptor agonists. This means it activates two important hormone receptors in your body: GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1, and GIP, glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide. Most older medications only target one of these hormones. Mounjaro targets both, which is why it can be so effective. Here's what these hormones do. First, they stimulate insulin release when blood sugar is high. Second, they reduce the amount of sugar produced by the liver. Third, they slow down digestion, helping you feel full longer. And finally, they reduce appetite and cravings. The result is better blood sugar control and often significant weight loss. What is Mounjaro used for? Mounjaro is primarily prescribed for type 2 diabetes management, improving A1C levels, and reducing fasting and post-meal blood sugar. Many patients also experience weight loss, reduced appetite, better metabolic control, and improved insulin sensitivity. Because of these effects, doctors may prescribe Mounjaro for weight management, even though that use may not yet be FDA approved in all cases. Always follow your healthcare provider's guidance. Who should not use Mounjaro? Mounjaro is not for everyone. You should not use Mounjaro if you have type 1 diabetes, you have a history of medullary thyroid carcinoma, you have multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2, or you are allergic to Tirzepatide or any ingredient in Mounjaro. Always tell your provider about all medical conditions, including pancreatitis, gallbladder disease, kidney disease, and severe gastrointestinal problems. Mounjaro dosage and titration. Mounjaro is started at a low dose and increased slowly. This helps reduce side effects and allows your body to adjust. Typical dosing schedule: 2.5 mg once weekly as a starting dose. After 4 weeks, increase to 5 mg once weekly. Then may increase to 7.5 mg, 10 mg, 12.5 mg, up to 15 mg if needed. Not everyone needs the highest dose. Your provider will choose the dose based on tolerance and response. Never increase your dose without medical approval. How to inject Mounjaro. Mounjaro comes in a pre-filled, single-use injection pen. You inject it once a week, on the same day each week. Common injection sites include abdomen, thigh, and upper arm. Rotate injection sites to avoid irritation. Mounjaro can be taken with or without food. If you miss a dose and it's been less than 4 days, take it as soon as possible. If it's been more than 4 days, skip that dose and resume your regular schedule. Common side effects of Mounjaro. Like all medications, Mounjaro can cause side effects. The most common ones are gastrointestinal and usually occur when starting or increasing the dose. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, decreased appetite, stomach discomfort, and indigestion. These symptoms are often temporary and improve over time. Eating smaller meals and avoiding greasy or heavy foods can help. Serious side effects to watch for. Although less common, some side effects require immediate medical attention. Contact your healthcare provider if you experience severe or persistent abdominal pain, signs of pancreatitis, yellowing of the skin or eyes, severe dehydration, or allergic reactions like swelling or difficulty breathing. Mounjaro may also increase the risk of gallbladder problems, especially with rapid weight loss. Does Mounjaro cause hypoglycemia? On its own, Mounjaro has a low risk of causing low blood sugar. However, the risk increases if you take it with insulin or sulfonylureas. Your provider may adjust other diabetes medications to reduce this risk. Always monitor your blood sugar as directed. Weight loss with Mounjaro. One of the most talked about effects of Mounjaro is weight loss. Many patients experience reduced hunger, feeling full faster, fewer cravings, and lower calorie intake. Weight loss varies from person to person, but some people lose significant weight over several months. Weight loss should be gradual and monitored by a healthcare provider. How long does it take to see results? Blood sugar improvements can be seen within weeks. Weight changes usually occur over months. Results depend on dose, diet, activity level, and individual metabolism. Consistency is key. Mounjaro and lifestyle changes. Mounjaro works best when combined with balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and good sleep habits. This medication is a tool, not a replacement for healthy habits. Storage and handling. Store Mounjaro in the refrigerator. Do not freeze. Keep in original packaging. It can be kept at room temperature for a limited time according to instructions. Always check expiration dates. Frequently ask questions. Can I drink alcohol on Mounjaro? Moderate alcohol may be okay, but excessive alcohol can increase side effects and blood sugar fluctuations. Can I stop Mounjaro suddenly? Do not stop without consulting your provider. Is Mounjaro a lifetime medication? It depends on your condition and goals. Final thoughts. Mounjaro is a powerful and innovative medication that helps many people with type 2 diabetes and often supports meaningful weight loss. However, it's not a quick fix. It requires patience, consistency, and medical supervision. If you have questions, always talk to your healthcare provider. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand Mounjaro better, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to Medication Quick Facts for more medication education content. Stay informed, stay healthy.